In the second question, we are applying first formula here. Okay, the first formula is log m raised to power n. This is your m and this is your n. So we take apply formula m raised to power n. Now what is the formula? That is log u is equals to x cos x. This term comes this side. Okay, log x. Now we have three terms. अब मेरे पास three terms हैं. Now we have three terms. The first term is x, the second term is cos x, the third term is log x. So we are applying product rule here, okay, because we have three terms. So simple, that is log u is 1 by u du by dx. Just as y, the differentiation of y is 1 by y dy by dx. Because when we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. Similarly for here, we take u is a function. So when we differentiate u, the log u is 1 upon u into du by dx. Same as जैसे y में लिखते थे dy by dx, same as here u. In du we write du by dx. Then we apply product rule here. Okay, that is 1 into cos x log x. We do 1 by 1. First we differentiate x, then the remaining two term as it is. Then cos x, remaining two term is as it is. Okay, remaining two term is as it is. Then log x and the remaining two term is as it is. Again see, देखो we differentiate x, that is 1 cos x log x as it is plus x as it is. We differentiate cos x, that is minus sin x log x plus x cos x into 1 by x. Now we find the values of du by dx. So du by dx is, we have u, this is cos x log x minus x sin x log x. This x is cancelled with this x and we get cos x. We put the values of u here because u आपने suppose किया हुआ है. So we putting the values of u here. That is du by dx. The values of u is x raised to power x cos x. And the whole term is as it is, cos log x minus x sin x log x plus cos x. Okay, we put the values of u. This is you get du by dx. But in first equation we require du by dx and dv by dx. But in this case, v is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So there is no need to apply log here. Because log, when we apply log, so the first condition, the power should be in the form of x. Power is always in the form of x, then we apply log. We apply log in log apply करने के we have two reasons. Okay, the first reason, when you have power in the form of x, then you apply log. The second reason we'll discuss today. Okay, this is the first reason, we have power in the form of x. So here the question x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. This is power x की form में है ही नहीं. So we apply only division rule. Now what is the division rule? That is very simple. X square minus 1 whole square. Then x square minus 1 into 2x minus x square plus 1 into 2x. This is a simple division rule. We apply simply division rule. इसको कोई log नहीं लगा because power x की form में नहीं है. We apply only the division rule. Okay, now this is open. So we get 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x. That is x square minus 1 whole square. Now 2x cube is cancelled with 2x cube. So we get the values of dy by dx is minus 4x upon x square minus 1 ka whole square. That is dv by dx. Sorry, this is dv by dx. Okay, from starting we again see the question. The question is y equal to x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. This is the exercise number 5.5 from NCERT. It is very important. All should be in the fair register. Rough register में नहीं कुछ note करना आपने, ठीक है? This is all fair work. This is y equal to x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Then first problem we face here because we have plus sign here. Okay, so we cannot apply log here. So we take the first function is u. Already we discussed this uv method. This is the first question we take u. The first expression we let u. The second expression we let v. Then u dy by dx we differentiate dy by dx du by dx plus dv by dx. But u and v suppose by u. ये तो वैल्यूज आपने आपको आंसर रखनी होगी तो du by dx plus dv by dx आपको फाइंड आउट करना होगा. So we take u. U is x to the power x cos x. Now because you have power in the form of x, then we apply log both sides. Okay, when we apply log both sides, so this is log m raised to power n. The first formula is log m raised to power n is n log m. So this is become n log m. X cos x log x. Now we have product rule of three terms. Because one term is x, second term is cos x, the third term is log x. So we apply the product rule of three terms. That is x is 1. First we differentiate of x, then the remaining two term as it is, then we differentiate cos x, remaining two term as it is, then we differentiate third term and the remaining two term as it is. And in dv by dx we simplify dv by dx because we have not done form of x. We apply division rule. And then the last, we put all the values in first equation. Then we put in the first equation. Please take your register and note down this. Then we start another question. Got another question for you. From 1, from first equation, we put the values of du by dx. The values of du by dx is this. If the jagah nahi hai, then we write do here. Plus dv by dx is the same. Minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Please note down this. Okay, note down this. Yesterday class 12 EFG is combined winner. Okay, 34 students give the answer from 12th E and 12G. So today we'll see which class is winner. You take your copies and pen. Okay. Now I'm giving one question out of 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, but not disclose the number. So you take your copy and pen. But first note down this. This is a simple method. In all the questions 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we have the plus sign, either plus sign or minus sign. So all the questions depend. All the questions are on the basis of UV method. You let the first one is U and the second one is V. Then separately you take log and find du by dx and dv by dx, and at last put in the first equation. So this is a simple method of the question. Okay. Then the first question is goes for 12A. आज फिर से हम देखेंगे which class is winner. Okay, 12A, 12B, 12C, 12D. But when I say for 12A, तो only 12A is reply. ठीक है? 12B, 12C, 12D reply नहीं करेगी. Only 12A is reply. Okay, then we count how many students are reply correct answer. How many students give correct answer? Suppose 7 students give correct answer, so 7 marks goes to 12A. Okay, so first only reply 12th A class, only reply 12th A class. Please 12B, 12C, 12D, 12FG apply नहीं करेगी, because मेरे को counting में आ जाएगा वो. Sorry. So we take question number 9. Y is equals to x raised to power sin x plus sin x is power cos x. Now start. It is for class 12th A. Please start. Yes, 12th A class. Start fast. The remaining class also do this question because it's a fair work. Okay. रजिस्टर आपके चेक हो गए, बाकी क्लासेस को करना है बट रिप्लाई नहीं करना है. तो ओनली 12th A रिप्लाई टू मी. Yes, 12th A class. The second number पे 12C आई थी. The first is 12th A, the second first is 12th EFG, second is 12C. 12th EFG is the winner of yesterday class. Today देखते हैं कौन सी क्लास आएगी. Yes, 12th A. That is very easy question. You take U and V and then start the derivative of this. Yes, one student give the answer. 12th A class. Radhika. Yes, good beta Radhika. बिल्कुल सही किया है. The one correct answer from Radhika. Only one student from 12th A. We give 5 minutes to for this question. Okay, you have time limit. Yes, two Anuj, Ankush for 12th A. 2 answers. Those student आ गए. Yes, third student. बिल्कुल सही किया. Third student name is not given. Siddhan 4 4 students give the answer. Yes, 5. Good. 5. Karthik Khatana from 12th A. Yes, good. 5 students. 3 minutes are left. Only 5. Yes, 6 आ गया. Yes, 6, 7. मुस्कान of 12th A. Yes, good बेटा. 7 हो गए. 7. Priyanshu of 12th A. Yes. 7 students. Then time limit is over now. The 7 students of 12th A given the answer. ठीक है. 7 students ने आंसर दिया है. This is 7 marks for 12th A. देखो कैसे करना था इस क्वेश्चन को. We take y equals to u plus v. Then dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, that is very simple. All the questions are same concept. ठीक है. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the questions have same concept. We take the first one is u, the second one is v, then separately we find du by dx, separately we find dv by dx, and then put in the first equation. We have also shortcut of this. एक answer और आ गया है. Yes. Okay, Bhavya of 12th A, they also given the answer. यानी कि 8 बस. अब now stop. Okay, time limit is over. So this is dy by dx equals du. What is the values of u? U is x is to cos sin x. Then we apply log both sides. That is log u equals to sin x log x. Okay. Now we have differentiate this one. That is du by dx. Sin x, the derivative of sin x is cos x into log x plus sin x as it is log x is 1 by x. Then we find du by dx. That is u. U is x is to power sin x into cos x log x plus sin x by x. Okay, the one problem in online class कि मुझे मालूम नहीं आपने कॉपी किया नहीं किया तो मेरी स्पीड फास्ट हो सकती है ना. तो प्लीज नोट डाउन विद मी. आज जैसे से मैं कर जाता हूँ वैसे मेरे साथ कॉपी करो. Okay, now the next one is v. The v equals to sin x raised to power cos x. Now we are applying again log both sides because we have power in the form of x. Then we apply log both sides. Log sin x, that is 1 by v dv by dx. That cos x is minus sin x log sin x. ठीक है. Plus cos x into log sin x is 1 by sin x into cos x. Now we have dv by dx is v. We put the v. Sin x is to power cos x minus sin x log sin x plus cos x cot x. ठीक है. This is the values of v dv by dx. We now put in first equation. We are putting in first. ठीक है. From 1 we put the values of from 1. ठीक है. That is dy by dx is du by dx is x raised to cos sin x. बहुत important question है. In NCERT they are given 9 times. तो आप सोच सकते हो what is the importance of this question. Okay. And in RD they are given one particular exercise for this question. And that exercise 28 questions are there. 20 log sin x plus cos x cot x. देखो again देखो please. Again देखो what we do. The first we take u and v. ठीक है. We take u and v. We are taking the first one is u and the second is v. What is the concept behind it? Because we have plus sign, so we cannot apply log here. So we take the first one is u, the second one is v. Separately we can take log because plus sign नहीं है. Okay, we apply log u, we apply log, and we get the values of du by dx. Similarly, v for v we apply log, and then we find dv by dx. All the values then we put in the first equation. Okay, then we put on the first equation all the values we are putting in the first equation. Okay, देखो 12 के 3 आंसर्स बाद में आए हैं बट दैट इज नॉट काउंटेबल. ठीक है. मैंने आपको बताया टाइम लिमिट इज ओवर. ओके, तो 8 मार्क्स फॉर 12th A. ओके, तो ये जो जितनी क्लासेस विनर होंगी है ना वी काउंट और उतने हम फिर उनको देखेंगे सब्स्टिट्यूशन पीरियड देना. दिस इज 9th क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर इज ओके दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोस फॉर 12B क्लास नाउ. ओके, प्लीज 12B क्लास 7 मार्क्स ऊपर लाने हैं. ओके, 12B क्लास. The question number for you. Okay, the question number for you is y equals to 7 number sum. This is start 7. Today we will only finish this exercise. Okay. Log x is to power x plus x log x. Okay. This is the 7th question. It is for log. For 12B class. But it is not only meaning the for 12B class. All the class do this question. 12A, 12B, 12C, 12D सब classes को करना है. Okay. It is a fair work. It is not a rough work. Only 12B reply me. Now this time only 12B reply. Time start. Yes, this is a question for 12B. Yes, one thing we can do. The seventh question is homework for remaining classes. Okay, the seventh question is remaining homework for remaining class. It is only for 12B. And meanwhile, 12C start this question. We give another question for 12C. When I say give the answer, तभी answer देना है. Okay. The first only reply 12B. This is a question for 12C now. We take next question. This seventh question is homework for the remaining classes. Okay. Answer reply only 12B class. Answer जो reply करेगी only 12B class reply करेगी. This question is for. I will take the question number is 4. This is for 12C. Okay, fourth question. Y equals to when I say give the answer, तब answer आपको देना है 12C class. Okay. Your time start also now. Now this fourth question is homework for the remaining classes. To start now. Yes, 12B, no reply till now. अभी तक कोई नहीं आया आंसर. Yes, 12B class. Yes, one answer from Rishabh. Rishabh, this is wrong. You apply x to the power n. Class से टाइम नहीं करते हो. कैसे मालूम चलेगा? This is the power in the form of x. So we applying log. This is the formula we apply x to the power n. That is nx minus n is the formula only when the power in the form of n. You have power in the form of x. Rishabh, class में आया करो. Yes, Samarth gives the answer. Yes, good beta. Samarth, Sumit. Samarth gave Samarth correct answer. Harshit, same answer. Harshit also gives correct answer. 2 reply from 12B. Only 2 minutes are left. Fast. Yes, one answer from Ritika. Ayush. Yes, 4 answers from 12B. अभी भी 12 से पीछे हो. 4 स्टूडेंट अभी भी रिक्वायर्ड है. Only 4 reply. Yes, fast. Yes, Ayushi of 12C. 12C को reply नहीं करना है अभी. 12C, please stop. 12C, Ayushi give correct answer. Yes. Palak Malhotra also give the answer. Yes, 5 student. Yes, good beta. Shruti. First entry from Shruti. जब तक कहाँ थी तू? ठीक है. The first Shruti also give correct answer. Shruti ने भी correct answer दिया है. Yes, good beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entry. 7 entry from 12B. Vishesh Arora. Yes, good beta. 8 entry from 12B. Yes. Time's close now. Take 8 entry from 12B. Okay. So this 7th question is homework for the remaining class. So you start 4th question now. Okay. So 7th question का आंसर मैं आपको ग्रुप पे भेज दूंगा because Vishesh Arora. Oh. Yes, 12C start now. 12C start. दोनों क्वेश्चन मैं एक साथ कर लूंगा. यस गुड बेटा. 12C 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 Dipesh, Lakshay, Riya, 7 student. 7 8 yes 9 good बेटा. good 12C विनर हो गया आज. यस गुड 12 9 student. 10 yes good बेटा. 10 बस that's it. Time limit is over now because 12C को पहले से क्या बात है क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. 10 answers from 12C. तो अभी तक 12C विनर है. ओके नाउ दैट 12 20 12 है. but seventh question मैं कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? Fourth is homework for you. But in seventh question, because we have log x to the power x, so there is some little bit confusion here. Okay, y equals to u plus v. We find first dy by dx. Up 12c, please stop. See your screen. 12c, stop. Du by dx plus dv by dx. We take this the first equation. Okay. Now we start u. U is what? Log x raised to power x. The log is already here. Okay, so that's no problem. Log is already here. We are applying log because the power is in the form of x. We are applying log. Rishabh, देख ले अब. We are applying log when the power is in the form of x. Then we apply log. The reason of applying log when you have power in the form of x. So we apply log both sides. That is u log of log x raised to power x. Now this x goes to this side. We are using the second number formula. So first number formula, sorry. So log u is equals to x of log x. Now we are applying the product rule here. Log u, that is 1 by u. Again देखो ये log already है, ठीक है? This is the values of m. This is m raised to power n. m in the form of log. So there is no problem. तो m log की form में भी हो सकता है. This is m raised to power n. So answer is n log m. This is n log m. Because this m raised to power n, so this is n log m. Now what is m? M is log x. So we differentiate this is 1 by u du by dx equals to x का 1, that is 1 log of log x plus x as it is log of log x is 1 by log x into 1 by x. This x is cancelled with this x. So du by dx is u. U is what? U is log x raised to power x. So this is log of log x plus 1 by log x. Okay, these are values of du by dx. Now we find dv by dx. Okay, in v we have already x to the power log x. Please stop now. V x log x. So that is log v equals to log. We apply log again. Log x is to power log x. So this log comes this side. That is log v is equals to log x into log x. We have 2 log x now because this is m raised to power n. That is m. This is n. So m is x, but n is log x. So we have a formula that is n log m. So n is log x. So log x into log x. Now we have 2 log x. So you can also write log x whole square, but जरूरी नहीं है. आप directly इसको product टू लगा सकते हो. dv by dx, that is log x is 1 by x log x plus log x into 1 by x. ठीक है. So this is the values of dv by dx is we put that side. That is 2 by x log x. We put the values of v and then all the values put in the first equation. So this is all total about the 7th question. ठीक है, 7 हमारा हो गया. Now the remaining questions are 6, 8, 11, 12. But अभी हम नंबर डिस्क्लोज नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, नहीं तो 12 डी पहले स्टार्ट कर देगी. So please note down this question and we give another concept to you. After that we take 6, 8, 11, 12 question. Okay. अब please देखो आप. Now we start 6, 8, 12. 11, 12 before. Please note down this thing. आप इसको कॉपी करो and give a message to your friends कि please class attend करें. This is very important. Today is 126. Will be little bit better. Okay, this copy down this question 7. You can take also print screen. Okay, if you are on the laptop, you have print screen. Then paste on Word file. You can take also print screen or take a picture by the mobile. But these are the shortcut. सबसे बढ़िया है कि you note down your register. Okay. Except then all are the shortcuts. देखो now we apply double log. अब please board पे देखो, you see on the screen. This is a new concept of log. ये हमने log का पहला concept सीखा था. Now we have x raised to power x raised to power x. We have double log now because you have x to the power x to the power x. You have double power here. Okay. This is x to the power x. ये आपके NCERT में questions नहीं है. Now this is a question of x to the power x to the power x. Now how we apply log here? Please बहुत carefully देखो now. ठीक है. This is basic x is this. This is the main x. ठीक है. This is the power of this x. So if you consider this is m raised to power n. Here m is x and n is x to the power x. देखो again देखो. If we apply the formula m raised to power n, so m is here x and n is here x to the power x. Now we are applying log because we have both side log, so therefore we are applying log. ठीक है, we are applying log both side. So this is log y. Okay, we are applying log here. That is log x is to power x is to power x. देखो, this is the power. This is the power n. This is your m. So when we apply log this side, so we have a first formula for this. That is n log m. The formula is n log m. So this is log x to the power x cos x. So this is x log x. देखो please again देखो, this is your m and this is your n. So when we apply formula, तो ये पूरी term आगे आएगी. That is n log m. But problems is remain same. You have again power in the form of x. So you cannot differentiate here. ठीक है? You have again the power in the form of x because power तो अभी भी x की form में है. Then we apply again log. We are applying again log. देखो, we are applying again log both sides. मैंने फिर से log apply किया. That is log x is to power x into log x. We are applying log again because you have again the power in the form of x. So we are applying again log here. ठीक है? हमने दोबारा से log apply कर दिया. Now this is log m is to m into n. This is m into n. What happened here? That is log of log y. This is log m plus log n. Because the first term is m, the second term is your n. So we are applying the formula number 2. The formula number 2 is log m plus log n. When we have number in the form of m into n, then we have a formula that is log m plus log n. So log x is to power x plus log of log x. Because this n is already log. So ये log तो n की वजह से आया है. So this is log of log x. Now this term is again x to the power x. So we have again the same concept. We have log y is equals to x log x plus log of log x. Now we can differentiate it. Okay? Again, starting से देखते हैं. This is y equal to x to the power x. We have double log here because we have power is also in the form of x to the power x. Okay. So first we apply log because this total is the power. Okay. This is m. This is your n. This is your m. This is your n. Okay, when we apply log this side, so this is your n, this is your m, so that is n log m. Okay, n log m. But again, the problem is that you have again x to the power x. Again, you have power in the form of x. So we apply again log here. We apply again log here. So this is n, this is m, this is n, this is m, this is n. Then we have m into n, log m into n. So we can apply here log m plus log n. Now in log m, you have power in the form of x. तो यहाँ आगे आ जाएगी. Now we can apply this simple log of log y is, अब तो हम इसको simple differentiate कर सकते हैं. Log of log y is 1 upon log y into y dy by dx. ठीक है? Log of log y term is log, तो log x का 1 by x होता है. ऐसे log of log y का 1 upon log y. Then the definition of its angle, that is log y. Log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Okay? In x log x is 1 into log x plus x into log x का 1 by x plus log of log x is 1 by log x into 1 by x. Now we can easily get the values of dy by dx. Cross multiply y log y and you get the answer. So please note down this question. In this question we apply double log. Okay, ये हमने double log लगाया है. Please note down this question. Now the next question is for 12D. आप count करते हैं ना, the one PT period already goes to 12CFG, but it is only for math student. Today देखते हैं किसको PT period जाता है. Which class is winner? Please copy down this thing. इसको copy करो. Now the one student saying, please repeat, sir. Okay, yes. बिल्कुल रिपीट कर सकते हैं. देखो दिस वर्क गुड. एक बच्चा मुझसे डाउट पूछ रहा है. यू कैन आल्सो आस्क योर डाउट थ्रू व्हाट्सएप. ठीक है, आप मुझसे डाउट पूछ सकते हो. उदय मित्तल ऑफ 12D क्लास, ही सेज सर प्लीज रिपीट. ओके, तो दिस इज x टू द पावर x. ओके, x टू द पावर x है. वी हैव डबल x हियर. वी हैव पावर आल्सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x हियर. तो व्हेन वी अप्लाई फर्स्ट लॉग, जब मैंने फर्स्ट लॉग अप्लाई किया, तो ये जो पावर है, ये पावर इस x की है. ठीक है, इनिशियली ये x नंबर है और ये उसकी पावर है. this is the number, this is the power, this is the number, this is the power. When number m raised to power n आता है, then it is n log m. तो जो पावर है वो आगे आ जाएगी, नंबर वही रह जाएगी. This is log x. ठीक है, this is again log x. But the problem is that x to the power x अभी भी है. You have also x to the power x. Okay, then x to the power x है. Then again the same thing. ठीक है, देखो 1 is chain of 12c, ये भी कह रहा है सर, प्लीज रिपीट अगेन. देखो दिस इज x to the power x log of log x. Now we apply again log because already one log is there, so we apply again log. Why we applying again log? Because power in the form of x is again. You have again x to the power x. अब x to the power x है तो आप डिफरेंशिएट तो कर नहीं सकते, because we can only differentiate x to the power n. x to the power x को तो डिफरेंशिएट ही नहीं कर सकते, because we apply log when the power is the form of x. तो पावर तो अभी भी x की फॉर्म में है, तो मुझे तो एक लॉग फिर लगाना पड़ेगा. मैंने एक लॉग फिर लगाया, बट दीज आर द टू टर्म्स. ये दो टर्म्स हैं. वन टर्म इज x टू द पावर x, सेकंड टर्म इज log x. तो बिकॉज़ यू हैव टू टर्म्स, तो दिस इज m into n. log तो बाहर आएगा. नाउ log m into n is log m plus log n. ओके, दिस इज योर m, दिस इज योर n, तो दिस इज log m plus log n. नाउ दिस x on that side. उसके बाद तो सिंपल मैंने डिफरेंशिएट किया है, ओनली वी डिफरेंशिएटेड. ओके, now the next question is goes for 12th D. अब 12th D के लिए क्वेश्चन जाएगा, तो प्लीज 12th D now ready. 12th D ready. ओके, मैं 12th D को क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. आज की क्लास, आज की विनर 12th D होनी चाहिए. 12th D class, please take your copy and pen and start. Okay, this is the question for you. But remaining question अब सारे टफ बचे हैं, but no problem. मैं आपको एक इजी क्वेश्चन देता हूँ अपनी तरफ से. ठीक है, you start this question, but this is now your turn. 12th D class, I am giving question. मैं आपको अपने पास से क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. This is x raised to power log x plus sin x raised to power 10x. This is the question for 12th D class. Okay, you start, your time limit start. Within 5 minutes, you solve it and give the answers. Okay, 12th D. 12th D विनर होनी चाहिए आज की. वन स्टूडेंट से इसके साथ डिफरेंशिएट कैसे किया है मैं अभी कल बताता हूँ दोबारा से. बट 12th D स्टार्ट. यस, 12th D क्लास, योर टाइम लिमिट स्टार्ट. आपकी टाइम लिमिट स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. योर टाइम स्टार्ट. Yes, one student. Please give the answer. 12th D class. Yes, one Diya give the answer. Diya of 12th D. आंसर्स कर लिया है. यस, गुड बेटा दिया. यस, ओनली वन एंट्री फ्रॉम 12th D. One entry only दिया. ट्वेल्व डी को क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपन विद ट्वेल्व डी? नो रिप्लाई। ट्वेल्व डी क्लास। यस, वन आंसर। एक और आ गया आंसर फ्रॉम ट्वेल्व डी साइड। सक्षम ऑफ ट्वेल्व डी। Diya and Saksham of 12D, two students give the answer. Only two. But after this question we decide. ये एक ही क्वेश्चन आज पूछेंगे. Which is the winner? Till now 12C is winner. Yes, one answer. एक और आंसर आ गया. पलक of 12D. Yes, पलक of 12D. एक आंसर और आ गया. मनन of 12D. 5 आंसर. अनुष्का of 12D. Yes, एक आंसर और आ गया. Good, 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 good. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 minutes are left. For 20 class, 2 minutes are left. This is the question. This question is homework for remaining classes. Please submit your register till Monday. ठीक है? नियत सर की क्लास के नियत सर को भेजेंगे और मेरी क्लास के बच्चे मुझे भेजेंगे. 12AB. Yes, एक स्टूडेंट और आ गया. अर्पिता गर्ग. Yes, Arpita Garg replied first time. Okay, good name. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 entry from 12th D. Okay. आज 12 D ने बहुत सा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रही है. 12 D only 6. Only 6 student from 12 D. यानी कि line limit is finished. Only 6 entry from 12 D. ये अच्छा रिजल्ट नहीं है. ठीक है. 12 D क्लास सब मैं से आपकी कंप्लेंट करूंगा. Only 6 students. देखिए द आंसर 12th D. Okay. अब मैं एक टफ क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ. This is the second last question of today. ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन आपका मैं दोबारा से ले रहा हूँ. The question number is 6 from your NCERT. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मैं ले रहा हूँ NCERT का. देखो 6 क्वेश्चन is from NCERT, that is x plus 1 by x. इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखना आप. This is x plus 1 by x is to power x plus x is to power 1 upon 1 by x. This is a 6 question from NCERT. Okay. ये 6 क्वेश्चन है from NCERT जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. एक स्टूडेंट ने और अप्लाई किया है. यस, बट नाम नहीं लिखा इस बच्चे ने. 12th D. Name is not given. Phone number is last 3439. They are not given name. Okay, तो 7 entry हो गई है from 12D. देखो, this is the question again U and V. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा difficult question है तो please आप स्क्रीन पे देखते रहो. बाद में कॉपी कर लेना. I give you, मैं आपको टाइम दूंगा. This is dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. This is your first equation. Okay, this is your first equation. Now we take u. What is u? X plus 1 by x is to power x. Because we have power x, so by dx. This is 1 into product रूल लगेगा 1 into log x plus 1 by x plus x as it is. अब देखो इस टर्म का कैसे होगा log x plus 1 upon x का कैसे होगा. This is log x plus 1 upon x. This is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into derivative of x plus 1 upon x. x का derivative 1. 1 by x का derivative देखो कैसे होता है. We take x to the power minus 1. Now we start the differentiation. N x n minus 1 that is minus 2. यानी कि माइनस के 1 upon x square. Again see देखो log x plus 1 upon x is 1 upon x plus 1 by x because log x is 1 by x. Therefore log x plus 1 by x is 1 upon x plus 1 by x. Then we start the derivative of x plus 1 by x. X is 1, then 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. We put the value there. ठीक है, x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square. अब उसके बाद कुछ नहीं करना. We take only LCM. ठीक है, सिर्फ LCM लेना है. So the last question goes for 12th EFG. Please बेटा EFG तैयार रहना. इसके बाद मैं आपको क्वेश्चन देने वाला हूँ. आप कल के विनर थे, आज देखते हैं नहीं देखते, विनर होते नहीं होते. ठीक है, देखो प्लस we take LCM here. That is x square upon x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. This x square is cancelled. So we get the values of du by dx. Okay. Similarly, we start v. अब मैं v start कर रहा हूँ. v is x plus 1 upon x. So we are applying log both sides. That is 1 plus x into log x. Now thus 1 upon v is log v is 1 upon v du by dx. 1 का 0, 1 by x का minus 1 by x square log x plus 1 plus 1 by x log x का 1 by x. So the values of du by dx is v into minus 1 by x square log x plus x plus 1 by x square. So this is the values of du by dx and the values of dv by dx. So please the rest of the class. So 6 आपका हो गया. Now the homework are 8, 11 and 12. So 3 questions for you. The 3 questions are homework. ठीक है, 3 questions आपके लिए homework है. So please note down 8, 9, 12 are the homework. ठीक है, these are the homework for you. So please note down this question. इस question को copy करो. So last question for today goes to 12 EFG है ना. अब देखते हैं which is the winner. Again 12 EFG winner or 12 C is winner. Okay, so we give the question for 12 EFG. There's a question for 12 EFG. You start sin x raised to power 10x plus x cos x to the power x. Okay, you start. Now this question is goes for 12th E. So 12th E start now. 12th E you have 5 minutes. 10 at 10:05. Your time limit is finished. Okay, at 10:05 your time limit is finished. So please start 12th E class. ये बच्चा कह रहा है सर ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा करा दो. चैतन्य और 12th C मैं भी कराता हूँ बेटा. आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन एक बार 12th EFG रिप्लाई कर दे. Then we again repeat this question. On Monday, I gave you a test of 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4. ठीक है, टेस्ट इन द MCQ टेस्ट लूंगा मैं आपका. आपके ग्रुप में टेस्ट पेपर आ जाएगा. ओके, ऑन मंडे वी हैव ए टेस्ट ऑफ till 5.5. 5.4 एक्सरसाइज नहीं आएगी. 5.2 एक्सरसाइज, 5.3 एक्सरसाइज एंड 5.5. ओके, मंडे आपके ग्रुप में टेस्ट पेपर आ जाएगा. यू आर एबल, आप इसको क्वेश्चन करने के लिए तैयार रहोगे. थ्रू मेल आईडी यू कैन डू दैट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, प्लीज चीटिंग नहीं करना. You have a time limit. I gave 15 questions and the time limit is 40 minutes. In 40 minutes you do 15 questions. मैं आपको मंडे को टेस्ट पेपर दूंगा. The syllabus is 5.2, 5.3 and 5.5. ठीक है, 5.2 is chain rule, 5.3 is implicit form and 5.5 is logarithmic differentiation. And the book is NCERT plus your register. जो अब तक हमने register में कराया, यानी कि जो भी डिस्कस किया, that only and NCERT. एग्जाम्पल से क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे, only from NCERT and register. So be ready. Monday, start the test. टाइम लिमिट्स, टाइमिंग सब आपको ग्रुप में मिल जाएंगे. Twelfth EFG, your time start. The one entry from 12th, that is Shanjali. EFG, only one entry. Yes, second, good beta. बाकी क्लास के लिए भी क्वेश्चन है, ये ऐसा नहीं खाली यही करेंगे. Yes, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 entries. Amit Jain 12th. Yes, one entry again from 12th G. Yes, 12th G, Priyanshi. Yes. Rashi from 12G, yes, good बेटा. ये क्लास 3-4 क्लासेस है ना, जीत जाती है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 entry. 2 are behind. 2 minutes are left and 2 from 2 points you are behinding from 12C. Only 2 entry are required. Sitara 12G, yes, they are. बेटा 12E है. Okay, your time limit is over. 8 students. Yes, the time limit is finished. 9 students from 12C and G are reply. So today winner is 12C class. Oh, 2 entry और आ गई है. Yes, from 12C. Okay, 10 entry. 1 entry और आ गया है. The match is tied within 12C and 12EFG. टाई मैच हो गया है. दोनों को कंबाइंड पीरियड मिल जाएगा. जैसे 12C तो 2 पीरियड नहीं कंबाइंड मिलेगा. जैसे फॉर 12C, क्योंकि वो अकेली क्लास 10 क्वेश्चन अप्लाई कर रही है, 3 क्लासेस मिलकर कर रही हैं. ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. ठीक है, इतना ही आज काफी है. बट मंडे बी रेडी फॉर टेस्ट. तो टुडे विनर इज 12C क्लास. अब 12D के रिप्लाई बहुत सारे आ गए हैं EFG के, बट कोई बात नहीं. टाइम लिमिट इज ओवर. आज हम 12C को विनर कर देते हैं. तो टुडे इज 12C विद टुडे विनर है. ओके, तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. गुड बाय, स्टे एट होम और स्वस्थ रहो.